What's going on, guys? This is your boy John in this thing. I'm back at it again for more Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. And today we're gonna be opening up 2 displays of Maximum Gold. Here, me, myself, and I with my wife.
Hello.
So say hi to
Hello.
all the viewers out there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open up these 2 displays. It's gonna be 2 separate videos. The first display, she's gonna open it. So yeah, because if we both open them in one video, it's gonna be like 20-minute video. So we want short videos, and y'all gotta get bored. They're sealed. So all right, let me get another angle for you guys so y'all can see the pools. Alrighty guys, well, we have a better angle for you guys so y'all can see the pools. She's gonna go ahead and open them, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and fast forward this so y'all can go ahead and see the packs. Alrighty guys, well, we have our 20 packs, I think. Yeah, there should be 20 packs because it's 5 times 4, 20. 20 packs. Alright, before we open this, make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel, boys. Let's start off. She's going to be opening packs from here and over there. Yeah, for future reference, she doesn't know much about Yu-Gi-Oh, so she might not be excited when she pulls something good. So, let go. Alright, start it. First pack.
First pack.
First pack. Let's zoom it in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, that's a trade-in. Alright, silent. Oh, Zodiac Dryden. Conversation. Let me see. Oh, there's still more. Sorry, guys. So, for the first pulls, it's Super Poly and Dryden. Cool. Next pack. And the rest are regular, I guess. So, okay. Next pack. Okay, go. Coyote, Scramble. Ooh, Borosaur Dragon. Damn.
Oh.
And yeah, and the next one, Stardust Charge Warrior. Alright, so far it's alright. Decent pulls. Let's see if we could get some impermanence, maybe a Blue Eyes, some of the hand traps. Alright, so go ahead. Number 87 and Constellar and Trickstar Incarnation. Cosmo Town. Alright. Next. Just when you see the golds, you should kind of stop. Ooh, Alistair. Damn, that Alistair looks cool. Oh, damn. Cool. Next. Kagari. That's a good trade bait. Next pack. Rhoda. Next. Oh, there you go. Cool. Let's go ahead and sleeve that baby up. Ooh. Alrighty, next.
Well done.
Alright, we got some decent pulls. We still have a lot of packs more to go. Oh, we got Tour Guide and Martial Metal Marsher. I like gold rarities. They look so cool.
They do.
Yeah. We got anti-magic arrows. And oh, we pulled Red Eyes. Yes. Oh, look at that artwork. Red Eyes. Can we pull a Blue Eyes now?
Hardworking man.
That's hardworking fingers. Oh, Ghost Ogre. And Cyber Dragon Infinity. Alright, so far when we finish opening them, we'll show you all the pulls. All the cool. Stratos. And anti-magic arrows. Okay. There's a lot of those then, I guess.
Alright.
We got another Ghost Ogre. And oh, another Red Eyes. Damn.
Yay.
So you can't pull two Red Eyes. I didn't know that. Red Eyes. Black Dragon. We got two of those. And for sure, I'm going to keep them. And I'm going to collect these. Just like everybody else.
Alright.
Those are OG cards. Alright, we got Harpy's Feather Duster. Damn. Harpy Feather Duster. Next. And another Ghost Ogre. Yes.
Those ghost ogres.
Ghost Ogres. They're always good. Alrighty, next pack. We got the Phantom Knights, Rusty Brigade, and another Ghost Ogre. Damn. We got our Ghost Ogre playsets already.
Yeah.
And we got how many packs left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packs left. Oh, Solemn Judgment. And Polymerization. They are alright.
Polymerization.
The next pack. So far we have 2 Red Eyes. And what was the other one? Nibiru. And some other cool stuff. Alrighty, we got Arclight Herald. And Ash Blossom. Yay! Yes, Ash Blossom. Yes.
Alright, next pack. Let's see.
We got Harpy Feather Duster here. And Darker Villain SYC Dragon.
Those XYZ.
Yes, we got 5 more packs, boys.
Let's see.
Alrighty. Next, we got Chaos Dragon Levenier and what's the other one? Yeah, I can't read it. Dragon Maid. Yes.
Alright.
Alright, I wanted some impermanence, but or blue ice. We'll see if we can get some. Please. Alright, Nurse Dragon Maid and rank up magic cards. Alright, we got 3 more packs.
3 more, let's see.
Come on, bless the pools. Elder Ent and Polymerization.
2 more.
2 more packs. Alright, do them a little bit slow. Alright, let it focus. There you go. We got Beatrice. Yes, that's always good. And Drow and Lockbird. Cool. And 1 more pack. Alright,
see.
can that be the impermanence? We'll find out. Alright, Night Beam. Come on. Oh, yes. Eldritch, the gold set. Yes.
Arcanine.
And Chakanai. Oh, there you go. And Chakanai. Alrighty, well, that was our pools. Alrighty, guys, well, there goes our pools. We pulled Chakanai, Beatrice, Drow, Polymerization, Judgment, Ghost Ogre, and I mean, notable cards, Borosaur, Drident, Nibiru. We pulled a playset of Ghost Ogres. 2 Harpy Feather Dusters, I believe. Yes, 2 Harpy Feather Dusters, 2 Red Eyes. We pulled the Eldritch. Yes, and Ash Blossom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the value of what we pulled over here, and we'll see what we get. Shout out to that boy Michael Munoz that he sold us these 2 displays for $85 each. Alrighty guys, well that was it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna be opening this other box
And a part 2.
or part 2, so
Stay
all right.
tuned for that.
Deuce.